Welcome to Plumber Calgary NW LTD, your trusted partner for all your plumbing needs in Calgary and the surrounding areas. With a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, we take pride in being a leading plumbing company in the region. At Plumber Calgary NW LTD, we understand the importance of a reliable and efficient plumbing system for your home or business. Our team of skilled and experienced plumbers is dedicated to providing top-notch service, ensuring your plumbing issues are resolved promptly and effectively. We offer a comprehensive range of plumbing services to meet the diverse needs of our clients. Our services include, but are not limited to, emergency repairs. We are available 24/7 to address any plumbing emergencies that may arise, providing swift and effective solutions to minimize damage. Residential plumbing, from minor repairs to complete plumbing installations, our team is equipped to handle all your residential plumbing needs with professionalism and expertise. Commercial plumbing. We understand the unique challenges of commercial plumbing systems and offer tailored solutions to keep your business running smoothly. Pipe repair and replacement. Whether it's a small leak or a burst pipe, our experts can quickly assess and repair or replace damaged pipes to prevent further issues. Water heater services. From installation to maintenance and repairs, we ensure your water heater functions optimally, providing hot water when you need it. Drain cleaning. Our advanced equipment allows us to efficiently and thoroughly clean clogged drains, restoring proper flow and preventing future blockages. Fixture installation. Upgrade your kitchen or bathroom with our professional fixture installation services, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Sump pump services. Protect your basement from flooding with our sump pump installation, repair, and maintenance services. Plumber Calgary NW LTD is committed to delivering high-quality plumbing solutions with integrity and reliability. When you choose us, you're choosing a plumbing partner you can trust. Contact us today for all your plumbing needs and experience the difference of working with the best in the business.